Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add analog clock widget in itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold the screen of your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, now below you can see the widget. Okay, you'll have to do is select or click widget. And now here in clock widget, okay, you can find the widget by scrolling down the screen. And okay guys, after you find the analog clock widget, okay, you'll have to do is click the widget. And after you click the widget, automatically save the widget on home screen of your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, here to change the position of your analog clock, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the widget, and you can slide to position you want to place the analog clock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the analog clock widget to your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.